we'll be seeing some basics of trigonometry, which is very important to solve the sums that are in the trigonometry chapter of max. Okay, so before entering in now, this is a right angle triangle. Okay, this is 90-degree and this is some angle theta. So it's a right angle triangle A, B, C. Okay, so in a right angle triangle, there are three sides, right? One is the hypotenuse, one is the adjacent side, and one is the opposite side. So before entering into this chapter, a student must know which is the hypotenuse, which is the adjacent side, and which is the opposite side. This is the very basic thing. So now tell me which is the hypotenuse, the side which is opposite to the right angle. That is the side which is opposite to this 90-degree is the hypotenuse. So what is the hypotenuse here? AC is the hypotenuse. Okay, AC is hypotenuse. And now tell me which is the opposite side. AB is the opposite side. How can you say that AB is the opposite side? So the side which is opposite to this acute angle theta is the opposite side. Okay. So AB is the opposite side. Now tell me which is the adjacent side. So the adjacent side is BC. This adjacent side will be having both this 90-degree and this theta. Okay. So now AC is the adjacent side. Now let's see some formulas. Okay, we know sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, secant theta, cosecant theta, cot theta. We have been hearing it often, right? So how can we relate these thetas with that is, how can we relate these trigonometric thetas with the triangle? So now let's see the formulas. It's very essential. You have to learn all these formulas. Okay, sine theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Okay, sine theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, and cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Now what will tan theta be? So tan theta is actually equal to sine theta divided by cos theta. Okay, this is the formula of tan theta. So now tell me, sine theta is opposite divided by hypotenuse, and cos theta is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. We can cancel, right, this hypotenuse and this hypotenuse. So what is tan theta? Tan theta is opposite side divided by adjacent side. All these three are very important. That is sin theta, cos theta, and tan theta with regarding to the sides of the triangle. Now let's see the reciprocals. Okay, so what is the reciprocal of sine? The reciprocal of sine is cosecant. Okay, sine theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta. So what can we say cosecant theta? Cosecant theta will be equal to 1 by sine theta. So now what is cos theta? Cos theta is equal to 1 by secant theta. And what will secant theta be? Secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Similarly, tan theta. Tan theta, the reciprocal of tan theta is cot theta. So tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta, and cot theta will be equal to 1 by 1 by tan theta. So in previous slide, I showed that tan theta can also be written as sin theta divided by cos theta. So since cot theta is a reciprocal of tan theta, how can cot theta be written? Any guesses? Cot theta can be written by cos theta divided by sin theta. Okay, these are very important formulas which you should be knowing before touching any problem that is regarding trigonometry. Okay, so there is one more table which is very essential and which you must know before touching any trigonometric problem, that is the values of various trigonometric ratios. That is the value of sine 0, sine 30, that. Okay, so this table, listen carefully. So sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, and one more, what it is, cot theta. So now we are going to see the values for 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. Okay, so what is sine 0? Sine 0 is Any guesses? Sine 0 is 0. Okay. What is sine 30 degree? It's 1 by 2. What is sine 45 degree? 1 by root 2. What is sine 60 degree? Root 3 by 2. And what is sine 90 degree? It's 1. Okay. You should remember these values. It's very, very important. And the entire table you have to remember. And once you learn the values of sine, others becomes very, very easy. Okay. Now for the values of cos theta, what you can do is you can write this in reverse order. Like 1 root 3 by 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, and 0. That is the value of cos 0 will be 1, and the value of cos 45 will be 1 by root 2, like that. Okay. Now coming to tan theta, what have we learned? We know that tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta, as I have already told you. So what is now the values also, it will be similar only. So what is sin tan 0? Tan 0 will be sin 0 divided by cos 0, that is 0 by 1. Anything by 1, the same value, so 0. Now, what is tan 30? Tan 30 will be 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. This 2 and 2 will get cancelled, and the answer will be 1 by root 3. So, as I said, once you remember the values of sine, the others becomes very easy. Now, what is tan 45? It will be 1. As this root 2 and root 2 gets cancelled, the value is 1. Now, what is the value of sine 60? It's root 3. Here also, the 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Now, tell me what will be the value of sine 90? Sine 90 is 1 by 0, right? So, anything divided by 0. What is the value of anything divided by 0? There is any number divided by 0. The value is not defined, okay? So, now tell me what is the value of cosecant 0? It will be 1 by 0. 1 by 0. Anything by 0 is not defined. Now, what is the value of cosecant 30? It will be 2, right? 1 by 2. The reciprocal is 2. And here it will be root. And here it will be 2 by root 3. And here, what will it be? Any guesses? 1. 1 by 1 is 1. Similarly for secant theta. That is called secant 0. Secant 0 is 1. 2 by root 3. Root 2. 2. And this is not defined. Coming to cot theta. What is the reciprocal of cot theta? The reciprocal of cot theta is tan theta, right? So tan 0 is 1. The reciprocal of 0 is not defined. That is 1. Is the reciprocal of 0. What is the reciprocal of 0? It's 1 by 0, right? 1 by 0 is not defined. Similarly, for cot 30, it will be root 3. 1, 1 by root 3, and it's also not defined. So I hope that you're all clear with this table. This is a very, very important table. It's very, very essential for you to do all the sums related to trigonometry. Nothing, just learn the first row, that is the values of sine. The remaining table you need not memorize. You can just do it by yourself. Now in trigonometry, there are three main identities which we have to know. Okay, what is that? Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. These three are very, 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 very important identities which you should know before getting into solving the sums of trigonometry. Okay. So in this video, we have discussed three things. What are they? First is connecting the trigonometric ratios to the sides of the triangle. The next is some reciprocals of the trigonometric ratios. The next one is a table which is very, very important. You should know all the values which is given in the table. It will be very, very helpful to do the sums. And next is the three trigonometric ratios. Okay. Thank you.